today's tourism scenario is the burgeoning outbound market. It is really fantastic and wonderful to see more and more Indians in different budgeting categories wanting to explore the world. Earlier we had these traditional, slightly upper class, which were regularly traveling, and the middle class was beginning to start. Now you will see that with this huge expanse of middle class, where there are either dinks or there are well-heeled people who want to travel short holidays, then necessarily those long holiday stories are over of going for a full year, a full month in a year. But now they space it out to maybe 2 short holidays of a week each, or even 3 short holidays of 5 days each. So that augurs very well for the outbound industry. We are being taken care of by, for example, Track. It's a great representation company here, which actually helps us in finding out destination. I want to go to, say, Kenya. I want to go to Monaco. Great idea to contact Track and figure out from them what are the best places to see, what are the best places to eat, where to get entertained, what are the casinos like. So one has a fantastic idea before you go to that city or country about what you're going for and what you want to see. Actually, because a lot of the Indians, a majority of the Indians love entertaining, getting entertained, love food and love shopping. So with these 3-4 parameters in mind, companies like yours are fantastic, so to say, companies which influence our travel, and they are a must for the country if we have to encourage outbound. And I'm sure that with the impetus that outbound has already gained, there is no looking back for the Indian. There is no looking back for outbound. More and more airlines should give in to the fact of getting bilateral relations with India, so that the first step, obviously, as you know, is the fact that there should be an airline connection. And the more connections they are, the more Indians will travel to that particular destination without fail.